Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start with a realistic study plan that fits +2 expectations. Set a weekly schedule. Study 1. 5 to 2 hours daily with 1 3-hour review on weekends. Prioritize foundational topics: atomic structure, hybridization, acidity and basicity, resonance and stereochemistry. Memorize key functional groups and their priorities: alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. Allocate time for reading and for problem solving at a 40-60 ratio. Active recall beats passive reading. Track progress with a simple checklist and adjust time if you miss 3 sessions in a row. To master mechanisms, always draw curved arrows and explain each mechanism aloud step by step to reinforce electron flow and intermediates. Learn common patterns: nucleophilic attack, elimination, addition, rearrangement, and radical steps. Group reactions by mechanism instead of memorizing isolated examples. Practice reaction mapping. Write reagents, conditions, and expected yield percentage estimates on each problem. Devote weekly sessions to synthesis and retrosynthesis. Use a 3:2 ratio of synthesis to retrosynthesis problems for balanced skills. Review failed problems within 48 hours to cement corrections. Effective exam prep uses realistic simulation. Simulate exams by completing a timed 3-hour paper with only allowed aids twice per month. Build a flashcard deck of about 200 key reactions, reagents, and name transformations, and review them with spaced repetition every 3 days. Balance solitary practice with collaborative learning. Form study groups of 3 to 4 peers for weekly problem exchanges and peer teaching. Teach 1 topic per session. Finally, use up-to-date textbooks and 1 online video series, and log weak topics to retarget study time weekly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.